Thank you for joining today's Clinical Hub training call. Over the course of this year, we will be implementing an exciting process change for all of our customers. We will be moving away from the traditional fax prior authorization forms into an electronic platform utilizing CoverMyMeds. What is the Clinical Hub? The Clinical Hub is PharMerica's prior authorization department. It features 3 licensed pharmacists, pharmacy technicians, nurses, and customer service staff to assist our customers in securing prior authorization approvals. The Clinical Hub is available Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. What is CoverMyMeds? We are now partnered with CoverMyMeds and will be sending prior authorizations through their portal electronically. CoverMyMeds is a software company that developed the first all-payer, all-medication prior authorization platform that securely and electronically transmits prior authorization requests between pharmacies, prescribers, and health plans. CoverMyMeds houses prior authorization forms for Medicare Part D plans, state Medicaid, managed Medicaid, and commercial plans. Most plans will deliver a decision within 24 hours and up to 72 hours. With the new electronic prior authorization process, each denied claim will follow a 3-step process. First, the pharmacy will obtain an emergency override. Then the prior authorization will be pushed into CoverMyMeds, where the facility will add clinical information and signatures before submitting to the plan. The Clinical Hub will review the submitted claim and reprocess approved claims. How is the prior authorization process currently? This new process replaces the way we currently handle the prior authorization process, which is fax-based. How is the prior authorization process changing? With our new process through CoverMyMeds, there are no paper prior authorization forms. You'll log into CoverMyMeds website to complete and submit the prior authorization. It's important to note that therapeutic interchange forms will continue to be faxed and emailed as they are proprietary to PharMerica and cannot be pushed into CoverMyMeds. To get started within the portal, you'll need to create a CoverMyMeds account. Open any internet browser and go to www.covermymeds.com. Click on the Create a Free Account button at the top of the page. Fill in the required information. When you reach the prescribers page, the sign-up is complete. A CoverMyMeds quick reference guide will be provided for assistance in setting up your account. When you log into the portal, you will need to enter a key to start your prior authorization form. You will receive this key when you receive your communication email from your advocate in the Clinical Hub. This is an example of the communication you will receive from your advocate. As you can see, we will provide you with resident last name, first name, resident date of birth, medication name, insurance plan, date of service, and in the notes section, you will find the key and any other instructions you will need to complete the prior authorization request. The key is a unique alphanumeric code attached to each request created in CoverMyMeds. To enter your key, log into your account and under the dashboard, click on Enter Key on the left panel. Enter the key, patient's last name, patient's date of birth. These items will be on your weekly communication report. Once you've entered a key, the request will be linked to your account and accessible from your dashboard. To complete your claim in CoverMyMeds, the system will prompt you to fill out the fields and when additional information is required. After your claim is complete, you'll send it to the plan by clicking the Send to Plan button in the left panel. For plans that have switched to a fully electronic process, you will receive a pop-up box confirming the prior authorization has been sent. You must reopen the prior authorization request to answer additional questions from the plan. For plans that have not yet switched to an electronic process, you will be given a preview image of the form you completed. Prior authorization requests can also be sent to the prescribing physician or another healthcare professional for completion. To send a prior authorization request, click Send to Prescriber on the left panel. To email prescribers with a CoverMyMeds account, select Email and enter the prescriber's email address to share the request directly with their CoverMyMeds account. For prescribers who do not have a CoverMyMeds account, click Send to Prescriber on the left panel and select Fax. It's important to note that some prior authorization requests require an authorized signature before they can be sent to the plan. This can be completed electronically. From the Send to Plan screen, type your name in the printed name field, then sign the request on the dotted line by holding down the left mouse and moving the cursor like a pen. MyMeds automatically stores the signature after the request is sent for future requests. All requests created will be stored on the dashboard, which you can access by clicking the house icon on the upper left corner of your screen. From here, you can access the claims. You'll be able to see through these three options. Once you enter a key, the incomplete authorization will be found in the Current tab for facility follow-up. Incomplete claims require additional clinical documentation, diagnosis codes, and physician or designee signature. These requests have not been sent to the prescription drug plan. Sent to plan. These requests that have been successfully submitted to the prescription drug plan and are awaiting determination. Search tab. From here, you can search for open and/or archive requests using the patient's last name, drug, or key. MyMeds adds required and important tags to the plan's request to ensure the request is completed. Important tags indicate fields most used by the plan to make an accurate determination. To assist in the determination process, complete as much information as possible prior to sending the plan. Required tags indicate fields used by the plan or another healthcare provider to identify the patient. These fields are required to share the request with another healthcare professional or to send the request to the plan for review. Completing all the questions, especially the ones with tags, will help the plan come to an appropriate determination. Once the prior authorization is complete, you can submit to the prescription drug plan. If a physical copy of a prior authorization request is needed, it can be downloaded and printed for many plans. Simply click Open on the request you'd like to download or print in your dashboard. Click Other Actions in the left panel and then click Download and Print. Click Download Only if printing for a patient's records, or Download and mark as sent to the plan if you'd like to print the request and manually fax it to the plan. For plans that have switched to a completely electronic process, a paper form will not be available. From the dashboard, you also have the ability to renew a request. You can quickly create new prior authorization requests using imported information from existing requests. This may be necessary if the plan has expired or canceled a request in your dashboard. To do this, open existing request and click Other Actions in the left panel, then select Renew. A pop-up box will appear with the information from the previously submitted request. Confirm the same drug dosage, prescription insurance coverage, and patient still reflect the information you need to create your renewal. There are other actions you can perform from the dashboard as well. These include access notes and reminders. From the dashboard, click Open on the request you want to open and click the Notes tab in the left panel. You can see the notes that the system automatically records for events like sending and receiving a request. You will also be able to find fax statuses and confirmations in the Notes section. To manage your requests, you can also set reminders from the dashboard. Simply open the request you want to view, and in the Notes section, click in the text block at the bottom of the left panel to enter information for follow-up and check Set Reminder. Archive requests. Facilities should archive requests when the plan has sent notification of the determination. Go to your dashboard and find the request you want to archive, then click the Archive link. You can always find archived requests using the Search tab and filtering your results by Archive Requests Only. If you have any questions, you can contact the Clinical Hub by phone or email.